Hello, this is Decimal, and today I want to talk about the new update for the EP-133 K.O.II. It was just released today, and let's get into it. So, the double trigger during quantized live recording is it was a problem when the single pad tap trigger would sound twice in a row, and that's something that they fixed. They fixed how the loop could exit in the wrong position when exiting and entering the loop quickly, so that's been fixed as well. Prioritizing held notes over release notes when running out of voices is also in the update as well. Velocity duration note changes done with shift and pot could get lost, and that's fixed. And now the EP sample tool cannot restore the max length sounds, and that's also been fixed as well. Just wanted to make this quick video talking about the update, and it's out. I'll leave a link down below where you can update your unit and let me know what you think of it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.